Here we have a layout that has a floor plan for its background. Within the layout, we have 3 cameras. We also have another layout depicting an aerial view of the building as its background. This view has images from the exterior cameras, as well as a few of the images from the inside room. An action is a programmed response within the camera rules that is activated based on an event. We now have the option of opening a layout whenever an event occurs. This camera has a rule to open a layout whenever motion is detected by the camera. We also have events associated with soft triggers that can be used to navigate to other layouts in the system. Now we will watch the screen to see if motion is detected on any of the cameras, which will cause the designated layout to open. Okay, motion was detected in the parking lot, and the parking lot layout was then opened. And here we see what happens when motion is detected in the demo room. The designated layout with the demo room table opens up. I can navigate between layouts using the soft triggers that I've established.